You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The main question for investors is still Israel's response to the Iranian attack, and while there is no response, the markets are waiting. You can talk about the influence of economic factors as much as you like, but when such a powerful geopolitical risk appears, institutional investors forget about the Federal Reserve, interest rates, and profitability of the largest companies in the world. This is exactly what happened yesterday, when Fed Chairman Jerome Powell almost directly stated that the reduction of the key interest rate could shift in time. But this statement did not cause a stir in the financial markets, thereby indicating the presence of a more important driver. In fact, while everyone is distracted by the terrible events in Israel, the head of the American regulator has announced extremely important news that could and most likely would have a strong impact on the market. The U.S. Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee has indicated that they need more information confirming the slowdown in inflation. Moreover, they referred to the latest data indicating the opposite situation. If we omit the official part and get to the bottom of it, then we can say that the Fed is not sure whether it is advisable to reduce the key interest rate, as previously reported. As previously noted, this statement is very important and may have a long-term impact on the market. After all, if the situation in Israel develops according to an optimistic scenario, this risk factor will decrease. But the activity of buyers in the stock market, and even more so in the cryptocurrency market, may remain weak. And it is at this moment that everyone will remember again that the Fed is not ready to lower the rate, and therefore there is a risk of force majeure within the world's largest economy in the form of high-profile bankruptcies. Given all this, one should not expect a rapid recovery of key stock indices. And in conclusion, let's talk about the cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin in particular. The largest cryptocurrency manages to stay above $60,000. This level of support is very important, and therefore its breakthrough can provoke a strong wave of sales. But before sellers still manage to return below this mark, the bullish scenario remains a priority. It is important to understand that Bitcoin can be held in a wide sideways position for several months, even more than 6 months. Therefore, we are being patient and closely monitoring the key support level at the $60,000 mark. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.